Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raf for Mr. English, and in today's lesson, we're going to talk a little bit about demonstrative pronouns. Now, for you to understand what demonstrative pronouns are, let me give you some examples. Well, the first one, you see here, this is my house. Nice house, huh, guys? That's my car. Wow, it's a Porsche. Can you believe it? So, this is my house. That's my car. This is my house. That's my car. Now, I want you to pay attention to the difference, right? This I use for something that's here, that's close to me, okay? So this I use for something close, something that's here, and that I use for something that is there, something that is distant or far, okay? And remember, we use this and that for singular nouns. So it's one house, right? This is my house. It's one car. That's my car. Okay? Now let's look at another example. These are my parents. Those are my friends. Now, pay attention to the difference here. These I use for things that are here, that are close to me. And those I use for things that are distant, that are there. Okay? And of course, we use these and those for plural nouns. Okay? So, parents are mother and father. So, these are my parents. Friends is plural. It's more than one. Those are my friends. Okay? Now, let me show you some more examples. Here, or close, we're going to use this in the singular. There, or distant, when something's distant, we're going to use that. Okay? And in the plural, we're going to use these and those. So it's very simple. This, close. That, distant. These, close. Those, distant. Well, guys, for today's lesson, that's it. Remember, study hard, and most importantly, always use your English. Bye-bye.